Hi, my name is Eric with LUX Landscape Lighting. We get this question asked us a lot is about, I have an existing system, can you work on it? And the answer is yes, absolutely. You know, a lot of people, they have them and they've had it for a while and they're just not loving it anymore. So we're here to enhance your system. And what we could do is by changing fixtures out, and yes, it does matter that we match everything, all the brands, so it's the same Kelvin temperature, because it does matter if you use different manufacturers. The Kelvin temperatures do not match, so we do have to match that. But we could add fixtures to second stories, or you know, if you're just not loving the intensity of the house or anything like that, we could do that for you. And then also what we could do is we could add lights like moonlighting, and what that is lights in the trees coming down, giving you shadows on your driveway or sidewalk. It's a beautiful effect. Or highlight chimneys, and that really will help the house just to show the beauty. By highlighting that chimney really helps to make your house look elegant. And then if you love your backyard but it's dark, give you light back there. We could underlight your patio, your sitting wall, your fireplace. We could do deck lighting. The possibilities are endless with LUX Lighting. And then we also offer a maintenance program. What that does, it helps to, you know, come and adjust your lights, prune, and clean things. It's super important that we do that just to keep the system like it was when it was first installed. Call today for your free consultation at 513-964-1280.